Hi, this is Gennady with you, and today we're going to talk about one of my favorite traffic sources, Udimi. So let's take a look at it. Okay, this is my Udimi solo ad account, and what you would like to do first, add your texts. So add new swipe, and simply create your new swipe. I already have them. For example, now I'm going to buy, let's say, traffic for this one. As you can see, there is a subject, there is a text, and there is a link inside. Use this to insert or edit your link. Okay, save. And after you have created your new head text, you may need to find your you will need to find your sellers. So just press find the sellers. And as you can see, you can choose here. Let's say how much you'd like to pay. Let's say 50 cents. Also, you would like to have at least 10% sales. Yeah. Okay, let's try even more. Can more. 30% sales. Jesus. 50% sales. Only these guys will give you this kind of results. So many sales. Wow. Great. So for example, you like this guy. Yeah. You can pick up your offer, your new text. I want this one. Okay. This let's say these are going to cost you 66 bucks. Okay. For example, 100 visitors will cost you 53 bucks. So you have picked your seller, 5 sales, 6 signups, great results, very great results. Simply add to cart. And this is it. You can use PayPal, you can even pay with Bitcoins, you can use your credit card to make this purchase. This is actually a very great site, and you will get good results in case if you use this strategy. In case if you find the sellers like I just have showed you. Okay, so you will first choose how many visitors. You will next choose, let's say, maximum cost per click. Okay, and also you can choose rating more than 50 plus, okay, and at least 40% sales. Okay, you see how many we have, how many offers we have with this kind of criteria, and simply pay with your card. This is it. This is how you can use Udimi to drive traffic to your offers.